Do you often feel anxious? Does your heart race like a runaway train, your mind spin like a top, your breathing turn shallow, all seemingly out of nowhere? Well, dear friends, let's delve into the world of anxiety and how to manage these feelings with practical, actionable strategies. Welcome to this video where we will share some quick DIY anxiety hacks. Step 1. Take a moment to focus on your breathing. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a serene place, maybe a forest or a beach. Now, take a deep breath in, hold for a count of 5, then slowly exhale for a count of 7. Repeat this 3 times. This technique, known as 7-11 breathing, can help you regain control during an anxiety episode. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means living in the present moment without judgment. Start by observing your surroundings. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells. Then, shift your focus inward. How does your body feel? What thoughts are crossing your mind? By becoming an observer, you can detach yourself from your anxiety. The third step is a grounding exercise. Look around you and identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This 5-4-3-2-1 method can help distract your mind from anxious thoughts and bring you back to reality. The fourth and final step is to maintain a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains, coupled with at least 30 minutes of exercise a day, can significantly reduce anxiety levels. To recap, the 4 steps to manage everyday anxiety are practicing 7-11, breathing, mindfulness, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method, and maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Remember, these are all tools you can use anytime, anywhere to help manage and reduce anxiety. Incorporating these hacks into your daily routine can provide immediate relief and help you regain control over your life. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with anxiety is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, feel free to experiment with these techniques and find what works best for you. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious sometimes, and you're not alone in this journey. We hope these tips will help you navigate through your anxious moments with a bit more ease. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember to breathe. See you in the next video.